Okay, Adam is going to show his feat of strength. He is going to break through this half-inch piece of ice with his head. Oh my word! Did you see the preciseness in that? He's so muscly. Did you see that? Jay, are you amazed?
I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, and look at, oh my word, he's so strong. Look at, here, show me how thick it is, Adam. Oh my word. It's amazing. Break it on your head again. Break it on your head. You're amazing. Oh my word.